Yeah, I think we're gonna keep the light on it. My first box of Shadows of the Galaxy, Star Wars Unlimited, and first pack. Here we have a Bossk. Second card is a base. First card, Remnant Science Facility. Here we got a token on the other side. Daring Raid. I actually have no idea how to play this game. Just kind of figuring it out as I unpack it. The artwork for it is really cool. Night Owl Skirmisher. Moisture Farmer. That would cancel me. I just started. Yeah, the art kind of has this cool blend between like comics and the old 2000 Clone Wars series, the animated series. I wonder if these space ones are like flying, or you know, character creatures with reach or magic or something. Got Assassin Nanibot, IG-11, New Adventure, Gambit. We have Echo. And it looks like a Tarful with a shotgun. Desperate Attack. Oh, it's our shiny one. His name is Tic Tac. It's got, yep, Tic Tac. That is it for the first pack. We'll catch you on the flip side. We got a bunch more to go.